Let me start my lecture. तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो, हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं, काश तुम हम बन जाओ, हम तुम बन जाए. That means if a student plays a very important role, his role of studying well, understanding well, and if a teacher technically, with her experience, with her team, plays a very important role. Together, kids, we can make a difference. It's either online, right, kids? So, chalo, let's make together the difference. Let's be in line in the lecture. Coming up to day 2, I'm Kashish Talreja, dealing with your English part today regarding a super poem, All the World is a Stage. दुनिया एक रंगमंच है, written by greatest person, William Shakespeare. The great man. This man, if I talk about him, I talk about him as a great poet, playwright, actor, among the prominent dramatist, the one who has written a play called as You Like It. और जो ये पोएम है इसमें से है, ये एक मोनोलॉग है. व्हाट इज अ मोनोलॉग? एक बंदा अकेले में अगर कुछ डायलॉग करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मोनोलॉग. So let's start this poem. My meanings on the screen, it's clearly visible. Playwright, the person who writes a play, widely, बहुत ज़्यादा extended, famous person, regarded, somebody very honorable, prominent, famous. Students, be ready with your stationery, with your books, with your registers and pens to write lots of things. We start the journey today. Shakespeare the Great. To me, come on kids, from where is he? From where is he? Yes, London. Now, to me, I start the day, I start the poem. All the world is a stage, and all the men and women are mere players. They have their exit and entrance. And no one man in his time plays different roles. He plays the 7 ages. मैम, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? मेरा बच्चा, जिंदगी एक रंगमंच है. स्टेज, हम कलाकार अपना पात्र निभाएंगे. हम, a male or a female, will play its very important role. Whatever role for we have come for, we are going to play. We have our entry. We have our exit. That means, जो आया है वो जाएगा. The one who's born, पालने में है, क्रेडल में है, has to go in a grave, कबर. Nobody is forever, kids. Nobody. मट्टी में से आए हैं, मट्टी में मिल जाएंगे. We are everybody going to die one day. But with this span, what are we going to do? 7 stages to play. What are these? Let's check it out in this super poem written by great Shakespeare. छोटू बच्चा, a school boy, एक adult, turning on to the last stage. Let's check the poem. So, my dear students, here we start the poem Act 1, that is Stage 1. Students, your chat box ready, your registers ready? My first line, my first stage. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arm. Infant, एक छोटा बच्चा, mewling, क्या करता है बच्चा? Come on kids, क्या करता है? रोता है. Puking, उल्टी करता है. Now what does that mean? छोटा बच्चा, मम्मा के हाथ में, mama is nursing him, मेरा लाडला बेटा, she's taking care of the kid. Kid, love you kid, love you. Mama loves you, mama nurses you. रो रहा है. What will mama do? Feed the milk, What will happen? She'll take care of the kid. And what will happen? As he has drunk more, he will puke. Puke. What does the word puke means? Come on, kids. What does the word puke means? Throwing up, vomiting. So, my first stage. Who's he? Come on, kids. Who's he? I need your digital hands to be raised, my dear kids. You can use the chat box, kids. Come on. First stage. Infant. In whose arm is he? किसके हाथ में है वो? Oh God, very good. Excellent reply. What is he doing? Puking. क्यों? मम्मा भूख लगा. Puking. Why? Why? Because when mama is taking care of him, mama ने इसको कुछ ज़्यादा ही feed कर लिया है. And so he's throwing out. तो थोड़ा सा extra उल्टी करके निकालना है. So done with my first stage, everybody. Infant, hands of a nurse or a mom, mewling, crying, puking, throwing up, vomiting. I just give you a minute. Kindly write down these meanings in your register, kids. Just waiting for you. Kindly. I'm extremely happy to those students who have supported me with cameras on. Others who could really do it, amazing. Kids online can definitely be well supportive if you and me, hum can play an important role. Okay, I got a thumbs up regarding the things have been done. Coming up to next act now. Second stage. इसको पढ़ के ना जिंदगी याद आ जाएगी. कैसे? This is the second stage. Ma'am, school going boy, satchel, bag, kush. Mama, what do you do? Come on, no assignments. क्या करोगे? Mama, पेट में दर्द है. Mama, stomach pain. Mama, head pain. All pains come up in the morning at 7:30 because auto uncle या van uncle has to come at 8 o'clock. है ना? क्या शक्ल देखो बच्चे की. Matching. Tell your mamas, are you matching to this? Yes. नाटक. क्यों? जाना नहीं. What do you have in your bag? Books. What do you have with this? This is called a satchel clear. And coming up to the next. What will mama do? She'll pull you. Chal. And how do you walk? जमीन पकड़ के. Like a snail. पकड़ के एकदम. But आज का दिन मत जाने देना यार. शायद assignment नहीं किया. So, नहीं ma'am. Today we love this. I want to go to school. I want to be back to that doors. है ना? नहीं? You love that offline things, right, kids? है ना? You're missing those? Yes, I'm getting so many comments. I'm missing. वाह, क्या इंसान है यार. जब था तो था और जब नहीं तो वाह. That means when you had those things, you never felt important about it, and you have all those nataks with you. And today, when you don't have those things, you want it. The second stage, a very important stage which we really love. What is it? Come on, kids. What is it? Tell me. Auntie? Shining? Full of energy? Winning? रोता वो बच्चा? What is satchel? School bag. How are you moving? Happily. Hanuman. एकदम हनुमान. पेट में दर्द. Right? Chalo. Unwilling to go. Unwilling is not willing to go. So I come up to my second act. First. Who am I? School boy. Where I have to go? School. What happens? Nataks. Mama. Creeping. right? Mama, creeping, right? How do I walk? Snail. Right, everybody? So, understood? Digital thumbs up for me. Everybody, come in. Again, second stage. Schoolboy. Second. What was the word? What was the word? What is the word? What did I wore? How did I walk? दुखी कष्टी इंसान, है ना? वो सुबह को गाना गाते हैं, सुख के दिन बीतो रे भैया, अब दुख आयो रे, right? तो चलो, with this we start the third act. Act now. You know what's the third act? The third act, could you? She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. Happy. No, she loves me not. Not. How do I behave? Tell me, kids. How do I behave? She loves me not. Coming up to the poem, and then the lover, sighing like a furnace, with a woeful ballad, made to his mistress bro. Now, what does it mean? Let's check it out. Kid, how am I? Sighing? Sighing when you breathe noisily. I'll give you a proper example. Your roll number is 17. Satra, Khatra. And today your teacher is going to distribute your Marathi examination paper. And your roll number is 17, huh, kids? She's declaring marks. Roll number 13, 14, 15, Aila, 16. Satyanas. That Satyanas is like furnace. You are sighing, you're breathing in, you're breathing down, you become a furnace kid. See this lover. She loves me not. I remember those golden days. We were together. We were together. We were together. Today, alone. Singing ballad. तड़प तड़प के याद आ रही है. सब हिंदी मूवी के गाने याद आ गए मुझे. Ballad, song, waffle, दुख भरे. How do I behave? Furnace, garam, bhatti. What I do? I think of those golden days. She loves me. She loves me. With this, we complete the third stage. How are my eyes? Ma'am, my eyes are full of love, love, love for my mistress, my dear one. Mistress, my dear one. So, chalo, let's revise. Third, who was he? Students, be under your chat box, everybody, come on. Who is he? Good, lover. How is he? How is he? Loves me not. Loves me not. How is he? Oh wow, sad. What he sings? Ballad. लेकिन वो ballad भी कैसे? मैम दुख भरे. मैं दुखी, वो कष्टी. तो चलो, and one more line. Kids, what am I singing about? About my beautiful mistress ke eyes. That means my beautiful mistress, my lover ka. Come in. How do I describe her? Oh wow, thank you. So then we did the third stage also. Coming up to the fourth stage, everybody. Act now. Third stage is done. Fourth stage is very important one. मैम मैं कहाँ हूं? यहाँ हमारे बड़े हैं. मैम बड़े हैं? They are a soldier. Soldier? Yes, the youth. Full of strange oaths. Bearded, like a leopard. Chalice. Quick, sudden, like a leopard. Seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth. Now let me start with the poem. Kid, I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to obtain anything in my life for my reputation. Even a cannon के mouth के आगे means मैं कोई भी danger face कर सकता हूँ. So let's go in brief with this point. Let's come up. Okay? Come up. Kids, if I describe this as 2 points. One, soldier. वो जो अपनी भारत माता के लिए कुछ भी करेगा, वो जो तथ पे रहेगा, वो soldier. But kids, don't you think we also are soldiers? Man, कैसे? अरे kids, we are fighting up for life. What are we youth doing? Man, jobs कितना कम है? What are we doing, kids? Come and tell me. What are we doing? Fighting. I want the best. My beard has grown. I never understand when. I'm just passionate to be somebody in life, to be the best among the best. Imagine, kids, that is life. I have a leopard की तरह, a bear. Imagine, kids, I am jealous. I need my respect. You know what is respect? Bubble. Bubble? Now, bubble respect कैसे बनेगा? Kid, bubble, 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 टक हट जाता है. थोड़ी सी भी गलती कर दी ना, your respect comes down. One assignment not done, you are no mayor. One examination not worked well. There are so many competitors, kid, they will take your seat. But this adult is jealous. This adult wants to be the best. He can even face any cannon. किसी भी तोफ के आगे भी आ सकता है. That means सबको पीछे छोड़ना चाहता है. He believes in life. He believes in one dictum. If you want to be what you want to be what you want to be, believe in what you want to be. He believes in himself and he will live a life. Vishwas karo, mehnat karo, success is yours. With this, I wind up the 4 stages of man. See how passionate I am. See, I can do anything for my life. I am a soldier. Just reading the line from the poem, everybody. Just kindly pay attention on the screen. Then a soldier. कौन हूं मैं? Soldier. क्या लेता हूं? कसमें. कैसा हूं? मैम बियर्ड कभी ग्रो गई मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा. Become a leopard. Leopard. I'm jealous. Why? I want to be the best. Quick. In coral. क्या? तुम मेरे आगे? You are nobody. I am I. Kids, I am jealous. If I'm not jealous, will I do my best? I'm jealous. I really be happy. I am proud to tell you, I am jealous. If I'm not jealous, will I work? Will I show my inner talents? Will I show my potential, my passion? तो मुझ में और दूसरों में क्या फर्क है? This is what is life. Be jealous, be different. Coming up to the reputation, seeking the bubble reputation. What is reputation, kids? Goodwill. नाम. ये bubble की तरह है. एक गलती कर दी ना, somebody else take your standard. For my reputation, what can I face? Even cannon, tough, anything bad, anything khatarnak, anything dangerous, because I want to reach the pinnacle of glory, highest point of glory. That's all. That's my dream. And my dream has to be fulfilled. Clear, kids? Your 4 stages done. Okay? So, let's brush up, everybody. Brushing up with all the team, all the 4 stages. Now, ready for what? For just a 3 minutes, 4 minute session of answering. I request my technical team to be ready. I request my students to be ready. Okay? Now, students, I will ask you lots of queries, lots of questions. You have to raise your digital hand and you will be unmuted for it. So I hope everybody's ready. And those who are a shy type of a person, chat box is for you. So fill the chat box, fill the comment box. Do be all the best. Come on. Kids, poem, name. Technical team, could you? Student, as soon as the technical team unmutes you, you give the answer. Kindly back mute yourself.
All the world stages.
Oh wow. Good, yeah. Tina, right? Amazing.
Yes.
Continue.
Thank you.
My next question. Who is the greatest poet behind this poem? Could you?
William Shakespeare.
Tina, could you mute yourself? I give turn to somebody else. Thank you, my dear kid. Kindly. Amazing. Okay. Technical team, somebody else, please. Kids, the greatest one,
William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare. From where was he? Could you tell me?
London.
London. Thank you. Mute yourself. Amazing. Others on the chat box. Okay. Come up next. Kid. From which play is this poem taken up? Technical team. From which play is the poem taken up?
As You Like It.
Okay, okay. Coming up to this poem, on your screen, what you could see, ये क्या है? Life क्या है? जिंदगी क्या है? Technical team. So many are raising hands. Technical team, kindly.
Stage.
Stage. Okay. Coming up to the
Stage.
next. Thank you, thank you. Who is this? Men and Dash. What are they playing? Anybody? Technical team.
Women.
Yeah, men and women. What are you playing?
Role.
Role. Super. Mute yourself, please. Every person, every individual has a dash. Yeah, come on.
Entrance and exits.
अरे बाबा तुमने तो दोनों बता दिया. Okay, thank you. Entrance. What do you call
And
it?
exit.
What do you call as entrance? In a logic form, if I call entrance, what is it? Birth. So what is my exit? Exit. 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 Raise your hands kindly, kids. Come on digitally. Technical team, kindly. So many of you have the chat box. Death. Yes. Death.
Death.
तो death भी रोके बोल रहे हैं death. भाई death. ठीक है भाई death. Coming up next, I will play my role. You are going to play a role. Everybody is going to play the role. We have 7 stages. Could you tell me the first one? Technical team?
Infant.
Infant. Kindly, the same student, kindly don't. Peter, kindly. Okay, I'll let the others get a turn. Coming up to the second stage, who would answer?
Yes, ma'am. Schoolboy.
Schoolboy. Kids, now I have a very good line for you to tell me. Students, it is an online session going on, right? What are you missing? You're offline, right, everybody? But kids, if we technically, with experience and with a good team, combine, teaching can be best. And we, Padma, the team Padma, believes in best. Coming up to the next, could you, the third stage. She loves me. She loves me. She loves me. नहीं नहीं, she loves me not. टेक्निकल टीम, अरे बच्चा चैट बॉक्स को थोड़ा छोड़ो यार, कमन. वेरी गुड एट चैट बॉक्स, वेरी गुड.
Lover.
Lover. Okay, coming up to the fourth. My favorite stage. I am jealous. I am dash. I am dash. I am.
Soldier.
Thank you. So still I have more queries for you. I will read it again and let you know it again. Okay. All the world is a stage. Dunya ek rangmanch hai. We all, men and women, are mere players. What do we have, kids? Dash and dash. Could you? Could you? Anybody? What do we have, kids? Dash and dash. Could you? Technical team? A little faster, please. Yeah, the chat box already filled. We are all, men and women. We have dash and dash. Exit and entrances. Wow. Kids, if I talk about figure of speech, two opposite words, what do I talk about? Antithesis. मालूम है, मैं एक अच्छी तरह से आपको एंटीथेसिस सिखा सकती हूँ. आपके घर में कोई बड़ा भाई बड़ी बहन है? हाँ मैम, है ना. आप हाँ बोलते हो तो वो क्या बोलता है? और आप ना बोलते हो तो वो क्या बोलता है? समझा? आप हाँ बोलते हो तो वो ना बोलता है. आप ना बोलते हो तो वो क्या बोलता है? हाँ मैम, सच्ची. This is called as antithesis. Opposite words side by side. आप बोलते हो ना डे है, बोलता नाइट है. आप बोलोगे मम्मा ये बनाओ तो बोलेगा वो बनाओ. What is it? Opposite words in a same line. Antithesis. Spell the word. Antithesis. Okay? I repeat my spelling. Antithesis. So back to it. Come on. Kids, we are playing. One man has to play how many roles? Could you? According to Shakespeare, how many roles?
7.
7. And how many did we learn?
4.
4. Wow. Okay. Coming up to the next part. Just a minute, kids. Yeah. First, could you tell me about the first stage? 4 words. 1. Who's he? Come on, technical team. Anybody? Who's he? First stage. कौन है? First stage में कौन है? Come on.
Infant.
Infant. क्या कर रहा है? और कहाँ है? What is he doing?
Mewling.
Yeah, his actions are mewling and puking, crying and removing something.
Puking.
Yeah. Where is he? Where is he?
Nurse arm.
Nurse. Coming up to next, I have my school boy. How is he?
Creeping.
Creeping. पहले बेचारे को धक्का मार रहे हो.
Crying.
He will थोड़ा सा mama. How is he? Whining, complaining. सुबह को उठ रहा है वो अनुमान होके बैठा है. Okay? Clear? What is he wearing? What is he wearing, kids? What is he wearing, kids? Come on, technical team, kindly unmute somebody. There's so many hands. Haji?
School bag.
School bag. What is the school bag called in this poem? Could you? Haji? School bag बोला है? कुछ word term किया है? Could you? Then the whining school.
Satchel.
Very good. Amazing. Satchel. How's his face? मम्मी ने वो तेल वे लगा के मस्त ऐसा एकदम decent बना के भेज रही है with a shining face. But how is he walking?
Snail.
वो देखो उसको मस्ती आ रही है snail. ये सुबह को पक्का parents see that your daughter is चलो back to it. Is he willing to go to school? मैम अब भी बोलोगे ना हाँ. और अगर पहले बोलते थे ना But kids, don't you find, is there any difference between online and offline? Tell me, if we present up like those things, if we are technological sound, if we are with well experienced people around. So kindly check the difference. Come on. Next, Lover. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Video? How's a lover? Sign like a furnace. What is a furnace? Could you tell me? Somebody. Furnace. I showed you.
Furnace.
Yeah, actually, गरम भट्टी को हम furnace बोलते हैं बेटा. Okay? Fire.
Yes.
Okay? अच्छा, how? Why is he fired? Because he is sad. How do you know he's sad? What is he doing to show his sadness? Could you? What is he doing?
Ballad.
Ballad. What is a ballad?
Song.
What is a ballad?
Sad poem or song.
Oh wow, sad poem or a song. Actually, ballad means a song. Woeful means sad song. दुख भरा गाना. किसके बारे में गा रहे हैं बच्चा? Anybody?
His mistress.
Who's a mistress? Mistress. Only about his mistress? Who's a mistress here? Very good. Who's a mistress here? Technical team, could you? Yeah, Krishna.
The girl to whom he loves.
Very good. The girl whom he loves. Could you tell me what songs is he singing about the dash of his lover? What is that? Aji?
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow. Give me one more word.
Eyes. Eyes.
Eyes. Or acha, come on. Only eyes? Dash eyes. Come on. Only eyes? Ke dash eyes.
Loving eyes.
Loving eyes, beautiful eyes, lovely eyes. Done? Coming up next to the fourth stage, my favorite stage, soldier. How many kids come full of dash? Full of dash.
Oath.
Oath. What is the oath? A promise to be taken? Why is he taking a promise, kids? Why? If I am a soldier of a country, I am taking promise for my motherland. I will sacrifice everything for it. Sarvasya tyag karunga. I am youth. Why I have oath? Why I'm taking a strong oath? Tell me, kids. Come on. Are there many jobs? Are there many jobs, kids?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
हाँ? इधर आप ऐसा बोलोगे ना, आपको 10 जने बोलेंगे हमें भी दे दो. Are there many jobs, kids? How you have to be?
No.
Your role. Come on. I need somebody who could answer my queries and we can make the topic more clear. Come on. I'm a soldier. Full of what? Oath. कसमें कि मैं सबसे बेस्ट करूंगा. मैं वो यूथ हूं. क्या है? Come on. How's my bear?
Leopard. Like a leopard.
Why like a leopard?
Leopard.
जिंदगी में कुछ समझ नहीं आता सिवाय सक्सेस के, सिवाय ड्रीम्स के. If I work for 4 to 5 years, I am somebody in life. I am uncommon among the common kids. पत्थर हूं. पत्थर हूं. डायमंड हूं, वो भी पत्थर होता है, लेकिन पत्थरों में मैं पत्थर हूं. That pathar, that diamond, if I want to be, I have to really, that adult has to really work in life. He has to be jealous and honor. He has to be dash. Come on, he has to be dash.
Sudden and quick.
Wow, he has to be sudden and quick. Quick in quarreling? Quarreling for what? Quarreling for what?
Respect.
Respect. Only respect I want.
Reputation.
Wow, who's that? Amazing kid, a proper word. I want reputation. I want respect. I want a position. I want a dignity in life. And for that, I can face what? Come on. किसके आगे मैं आ सकता हूँ? और बिंदास.
Cannon.
In front of a cannon. Mouth.
कैनन क्या होता है?
Cannon's mouth.
What is a cannon? Tell me. तो that means मैं हर प्रॉब्लम को, ऑब्स्टिकल को, तकलीफ को फेस करूँ. Right, kids? Am I? Is the poem done? To you, we repeat the poem again. We go with the 4 stages. Coming up next. Kindly, technical team, mute everybody. Kindly, thank you. So let's start up. Okay. Yeah. I repeat the poem again and then go for the 5th, 6th and the 7th stage. All the world is a stage. Dunya ek rangmanch hai. All and all the men and women may are players. हम सब men, women यहाँ के क्या हैं? Players. That means रंगमंच के पात्र, characters. हर पात्र को, हर कैरेक्टर को एक एंट्री है. पालना, मौत है, exit. The one who's come has to go. The one who's born has to die. I gave you a superb line. मट्टी में से आए हैं, मट्टी में मिल जाएंगे. But with this time, one man has to play certain parts. According to Shakespeare, the great, in this poem, a man has played 7. I repeat my word, 7 ages. The first one, छोटा बच्चा, infant. अपनी दुनिया में, प्यारी दुनिया में, loving में, care में, affectionate. Who? The nurse arm. His act being 7 ages. At first, infant, छोटा बच्चा, mewling, रोता हुआ, puking, उल्टी करता हुआ. Where is he? In his nurse's arms, in his mother's caring arms. Then, हम, छोटा बच्चा, school boy, how is he? Whining, crying, रोता हुआ, with his satchel, bag. How is his fame? How's his face? मम्मी ने तेल वे लगा के मस्त ऐसा, चिकना बनाया है. No, put होती है ना मम्मा, right? So that is shining morning face. It's like creeping like a snail. Why is he creeping like a snail? Because he's unwilling to go to school. मुझे मत भेजो, आज का दिन मत भेजो, पेट में दर्द है, and lots of things. Right, kids? How is he creeping? Like a snail walking in a very, very slow manner. How is he? Unwilling, not willing to go to school. Next, the 3rd stage comes up, lover. Sign like a furnace. भट्टी की तरह, वो फर्नेस की तरह सांसें ले रहा है. वो गाना गा रहा है. woeful, दुख भरा, ballad, sad song. किसके बारे में? She loves me not के बारे में. His mistress, lover. उसके आईब्रो के बारे में, उसके ब्यूटी के बारे में, उसकी ब्यूटीफुल आईज के बारे में. He's really remembering those golden days. Next, soldier. I appreciate the soldier, kids. The one, Bharat Mata ki jai ho. The one, Meri jai ho. See, kids, both the roles are amazing. One, you are playing a very important role for your mother country. And second, you are playing a very important role of your life. If you are a good soldier, if you are passionate, success at your doorstep, पैर पे होगी, पैर पे होगी. बच्चा, nobody is born great. Nobody is born Ambani, please. From a rat picker to riches. Riches, how do you become? Through what? Hard work, passion. So that's the soldier. We come up with the next point regarding the soldier. Then a soldier, my stage number 4, full of strange oath, kasme, bearded like a leopard. He's very jealous, sudden, quick to quarrel, quick to be somebody in life, quick because his reputation is like a bubble, kabhi bhi phat sakti hai. He wants his reputation, he wants to work for his reputation, he wants to be somebody in life. Dreams को पूरा करना है और dreams की वजह से he can face any difficulty, even a cannon's mouth. तोफ के आगे भी खड़े रहो. Right, kids? Done, my dear kids, everybody? So coming up to the next. Who's this? The nurse taking care of the kid? The mother taking care of the beloved bacha? Could you tell me? Who's he? Students? Yeah, Ganesh, could you? Technical team, kindly unmute, please. Who's he? What is he carrying? And where is he? Where he doesn't want to go?
School.
School. वो स्कूल बॉय नहीं बोल रही है, where he doesn't want to go बोल रही है स्कूल. मेरे को लगा स्कूल बॉय बोलेगी, फिर रिस्पेक्ट से बोलेगी बैग, and then she'll say school. She said पहले school. Where she doesn't want to go, the boy doesn't want to go, school. Okay, come up next. मैम ये मैं. मैम ये मैं. I'm loving it.
Lover. Lover.
Kid, she loves me.
Lover.
No, she loves me not. Okay, she loves me not. And because of that,
Yes.
what is going to happen? Am I going to sing? Am I going to sing? Am I going to dance in the rain? Come on, technical team, could you? Students, raise your digital hands, kids. Everybody, those who know the answer. Technical team, Ganesh is ready. So many of them are ready.
The lover.
Yeah, lover. Okay. How is the lover? Could you tell me? कैसा है वो? Happy?
No sad.
Sad.
No sad. ये देखो कैसे निकल रहा है. No sad. Okay, he's sad and he's singing songs of his beautiful lover. Okay. This is me, beta. This is passion. This is what I want to teach you. What is this? What is this? A youth, a soldier, like a leopard, full of dash, can face dash for dash. Anybody? Fill in the blanks.
No.
Come on, who's he?
Soldier.
Yeah, soldier. Could you be a little louder, please? Who's he?
Soldier.
Soldier. Okay. Kid, my next question to you is, what is he compared to? What is he compared to? His beard is compared to?
Leopard.
Very good. How is he?
Honor.
Honor? How is he? Sudden? Good? And what can he do as far as his reputation, kid? अपने नाम के लिए क्या कर सकता है?
He can stand in the front of a cannon's mouth.
He can stand in the front of a cannon's mouth. Superb, my dear kid. He can face any difficulty. Wow. Seriously, amazing. With this good response, let's go for the next stage. Could we, everybody? Act now. Ready? I could give you a minute break. You could have this water and something, everybody, and come back to act now. The fifth stage, the sixth, and the seventh important stage. Here we go. So, we are back again. Coming up to the next act is again a very superb one. बच्चा, success मिल चुका है मुझे. Now, it's justice. Ma'am, what is justice? Ma'am, what is justice? Tell me. What is justice? Insaf. How am I? Let me read the poetic lines for you and then tell you. Okay, kids? Let me read the poetic lines and then tell you what is it and how it is. Could you? Somebody? Okay, coming up. And then the justice in fair round belly, with good cap on lined, with eyes severe, beard of a formal cut, full of wise sauce and modern instances, and so he plays his part. So let's understand it in detail. Kid, I have understood my life. I have worked for it. Passionate हूँ, एकदम जबरदस्त काम किया. अब क्या मिल चुका है? एक्सपीरियंस. कैसा होऊंगा बच्चा? कैसा होऊंगा बच्चा मैं मोटू हो जाऊंगा. दिस इज कैप ऑन बेली. मैम वाइल बी आई मोटू. अरे बेटा वो जब यूथ होता है ना तो इंसान डाइट वाइट कुछ फॉलो करता है. जब वो व्हेन दैट यूथनेस क्रॉसेस अप, शादी वादी हो गई, हाउ डू वी बिकम थोड़ा हट्टा कट्टा. एंड एक कहावत है, इफ योर वाइफ इज अ गुड कुक योर बेली हैज टू कम आउट. नहीं नहीं बच्चा, बैक. सो हाउ इज माय बेली? कैप ऑन. व्हाट इज अ कैप ऑन? मुर्गा. What is a cap on? A murga. How murga is hatta katta? My belly also becomes hatta katta. I sit down. Ma'am, what does this line tell me? I am hatta katta. No. Listen to me. Huh? I am hatta katta means I have knowledge. I am full with experience. I am full with wise saying. My eyes are severe. They have understood life. Kids have understood life is a rose. Start with thorns, 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 end to blossom. End to blossom. My eyes are very experienced. I have become formal. I have a formal beard. I understand between right and wrong. I understand who's sahi, who's galat. I start giving advices to people कि भाई जिंदगी ऐसी है. आपके बड़े क्या करते हैं? आपके मॉम डैड क्या करते हैं? They share your experience with you. They have become wise. Ma'am, how have they become wise? Because they have seen life, my dear kids. They have seen life. वो थार, वो चढ़ा, वो चढ़ा, वो थार, वो थार, सब देखा है. जिंदगी देखी है. That is this fifth stage of life. The one who will share knowledge with you. The one who wants to talk to you. The one who really wants to give treatment everybody fair. I repeat, I just want to tell you this meanings to you. Who's justice? The one who gives you fair treatment. What is a cap on? Excess fat, hatta katta. Why? Because you're eating carelessly. Severe, your eyes become very serious. Does your dad jumps off on a joke? No, he will just smile. Why? He has a lesson of life. Sauce, white saying, Mera beta, don't do this. Mera beta, don't do that. Kid, take it, imagine if I am climbing up my staircase and I have lots of books in my hand and there was a banana skin, kele ka chilka, on the staircase. Okay, I saw it. I took my books and I was just coming up. I thought मैं book रखूंगी and then I'll pick up the banana skin. I saw my kids coming down to the staircase. What will I do? I'll keep quiet. I'll keep quiet. Mera beta, please be careful. There's a skin, banana skin there. Am I wrong? Kids, am I wrong? No, no. Why? We parents, we teachers, why do we advise you? Because we have seen life. We have gone through, those days of struggle. We don't want you. So we have taken a lot of care for you. So this is a line of justice. A fair treatment to everybody. A cap on line. Hatta katta because of careless eating. This person becomes very severe. उसको बहुत सारी sayings हैं, लोगों को बताता है, समझाता है, example देता है. तो come up, let's check it out. I would request somebody who could read it for me. Technical team, mute someone please. So many hands to be raised, just one person. After every line, a comma, wait for me to explain, my dear kid, kindly.
even in the cannon's mouth.
What is the another stage? We have to start from then and then the justice. Could you?
In fair round belly with a good
Just a minute, the first line and then the justice. अब इंसाफ के बारे में बात करते हैं. Okay? How am I looking? Could you tell me? Second line. Read करो बच्चा. Come on.
in fair round belly with good cap on lined.
How is my belly? Round. Hatta katta. How is it? Like a cap on. What is a cap on? Could you tell me? Could you tell me? Technical team, could you? Yeah.
Excess fat
Yeah,
due
excess
to
fat.
not
Like
eating
no?
properly.
Yeah. Lot of fat I've eaten, lot of things I've eaten. बच्चा मेरा बहुत सारा पिज़्ज़ा विज़्ज़ा खाया है भाई. Cheese pizza खाया है, you know, that cheese pizza is coming out from my body. I become hatta katta. Okay. And kids, I become hatta katta of experience also. दुनिया देखा मैंने. अब मेरी आंखें कैसे होंगी? How will my eyes be? Tell me.
कभी हम
My eyes. Come on. How will my eyes be? Happy?
Severe.
Severe. How will my beard be? Come on. मेरी beard कैसे होगी बेटा? Come on. Formal होगी. मेरी बातें कैसी होंगी? Wise होंगी. Experience वाली होंगी. Precise. Technical team, contribute everybody. Thank you. And then the justice. अब बात करते हैं इंसाफ के लिए. In fair round belly. That means I become hatta katta. With good cap on line. That means I become like a murga. Hatta katta murga. But kids, your hatta katta means definitely मैं खा खा के तो मोटू हो गया हूँ, but मैंने knowledge भी खाया है, experience भी खाया है, दुनिया का सबक सीखा है, दुनिया को पहचाना है, किसके मुंह में राम है और किसके बगल में छुरी है. I have understood life. My eyes have become severe. I have a formal beard. I am full of wise sayings. I give examples to everybody. I play my role. So let's revise the part just again, just a minute. So kids, come on, everybody. What do I want here? What I'm playing my role for? Come on. What is the symbol of this? Technical team?
justice.
Justice. Okay. Come up next. Come on. This is the poem. I don't want to discuss. I will go for the next part. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. How is my belly, kids?
Cap
मैम जिम जाओ, उसको जिम में भेजो भाई, ये तो फट ही रहा है. This is exactly called as cap on. Clear kids? Everybody, excessive fat. Next. Who's he? Yeah. Who is he? Who is he? I could see, so many students laughing and smiling around. मैम ये तो हट्टा कट्टा इंसान सोच रहा है क्या करूं, जिंदगी से उठूं कि नहीं उठूं. नहीं मेरा बेटा, this हट्टा कट्टा इंसान is the one who has experience, knowledge, learned life. एक्सपीरियंस है ना, ये जिंदगी है, ये जो हट्टा कट्टा है ना, ये लाइफ है. Coming up to next, how will be he? Come on, how is his eyes? Severe. Okay. How is his wearing style? Wise, formal. Okay. How's his sayings? Wise. He knows what is right, what is wrong. He knows what is true, what is wrong. He's the one who wants to tell people around. दुनिया को वो experience बताएगा. Okay. He's the one. A technical team, kindly mute everybody. Kindly. Yeah. Technical team, kindly. Thank you for the support. Coming up, he will share every knowledge to other people. So coming up to the meanings, justice, fair treatment देगा सबको. With good cap on line, excess fat because of careless eating. Severe, आंखें severe हैं, severe, serious. Sauce, उसका बोलना. बच्चा मेरा, राम और रावण. What your dad will tell you? Ram was right. Ravan had might. Who won the fight? Ram the right, not Ravan with might. Truth, सच्चाई जीतती है. Experience plays a very important role. And we Padma, Team Padma, has an experience of 32 long years, kids, a legacy. So we believe in this. Coming up to sayings, coming up to examples, this elder person will give you examples, will give you sayings to tell you what is good or what is bad. Done? One more, the last time we're reading it. Anybody, any doubts? Digital, come in. If you really have any doubt, to the chat box, please. Coming up next. And then the justice in fair round belly with a good cap on line. Eyes severe है, formal beard है, wise saving है, examples दे रहा है और अपना रोल प्ले कर रहा है. आया है, next stage पे जाएगा. Let's go with the next stage. If it's done, if it's understood, digitally thumbs up, everybody, come on. If it's done, digitally, come on, everybody. Kids, what a generation, na? We had physical hands, physical thumbs ups, and you have digital thumbs ups. Imagine what a difference. Yeah, Hani, Ganesh, everybody, come on. They've understood. Others, come on, kindly. Let's work together, kids. Okay. Coming up, the next. Coming up with the next act now. The sixth stage. I'll read it for you and then explain you. The sixth stage shifts into a lean, slippered pantaloons, spectacles, pouch on the side. Youthful horse, well saved, and a world too wide. For his shrank, and his manly voice. Turning again towards childish treble, pipes, and whistles in his sound. Ma'am, what is this? Reality of life. Reality of life. My next stage, where my eyesight is weakened, I start wearing specs. My cupboard full of clothes which I saved, my pantaloons, today have become loose. याद है? हट्टा कट्टा, right? My voice, leopard, my voice full of wise saying. Now I even can't speak. My voice is not clear. When I talk, splits come out from my mouth. थूके निकलती हैं. मेरे 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 आगे एक पाउच पड़ा है. उस पाउच में क्या है मैम? दवाइयां. I hope I live for medicines, or I live because of medicines, maybe. Coming up to the next. Let's start. Come on, everybody. Should we? Let's go again. Yeah. My act. Ready? Start. The sixth stage, shift into a lean and a slipper's pantaloons. Kid, what drastic change has been to me. मैं पहले कैसा था और अब कैसा हूं. मैं पहले कैपॉन था, मेरा फैट बेली था, अब दुबला पतला, lean, right? How are my pantaloons? Loose. How is my eyesight? Weak. How is my body? Unhealthy, sick. How do I know? I'm wearing a spectacles. I'm having a pouch of medicines with me. Imagine, kids. Imagine, kids, my voice, which was manly, leopard, it's turning to childish treble. I cannot even speak. थूके निकल रहे हैं, spit निकल रही है. मैं किसी से बात करता हूँ, तुमसे कोई बात नहीं करता? हाँ मैम, हमारी दादा दादी, when they talk, what is this? दादू आप बात करो ना, थूक निकल रही है ना? How's your bed? What is kept here? Pouch of medicines. How's your body? Shrunk. How's your pantaloon? How's your clothes? Which dad stored? Loose. How do they talk? With sounds. Right, kids? Back again. The sixth stage shifts into a lean and a slippered pantaloons, pajama, coming up to a pouch. It's a pocket type. शंख करना मीन्स पहले से अभी अगर तुलना करोगे तो पतला हो जाता है सब चीजें. आपका आवाज भी कैसा हो जाता है? मैनली. लो. How you become? Like a child back. How's your voice? Treble. पहले कैसे था? एकदम खतरनाक आवाज. अब कैसे हो गया? अब कैसे हो गया बच्चा? It's come down. So, lean, patla, spectacle, a pair of glasses, pantaloon, your trousers. Youthful hose, the fitting trousers which you really kept. Okay, what is shank? Your leg. Okay, from your knee to bottom ankle, it's a leg, the shank part. What is treble? It becomes weak. क्या बन चुका है बेटा? Weak. आपका आवाज कैसे बन चुका है? Weak. आपका body कैसे बन चुका है? Weak. How do I know my eyes has become weak? Could you tell me? इस स्टेज को कैसे मालूम पड़ा कि इसका आईज वीक हो गया? यस हनी, कुड यू रिप्लाई? मैडम प्लीज अनम्यूट.
Because he could see blur.
He could see blur and he's wearing dash. Could you?
Spectacles.
Spectacles. Okay. What is pantaloon? Could you tell me, honey beta?
Trousers.
Trousers. Okay. And if I tell you those trousers have become loose, why? The reason behind it?
Because he has become lean.
Because he has become lean. वो दुबला हो गया है. ट्राउजर लूज नहीं हुआ, ट्राउजर वैसा ही था. Right, guys? Kids? अच्छा, how was my voice earlier and how is it now? Could you? Dhanshri, could you do it? Technical team, could you? Honey beta, thank you.
Now voice is treble.
Voice is treble means क्या मेरा बेटा? Could you hear me clear? Could the stage talk clearly? Come on.
No.
No. And earlier voice कैसा था? Earlier voice कैसा था? Manly. Manly, very good. और अभी voice कैसे है? Tremble कर रहा है. Right? And then, could you tell me what is this man wearing and why? Spectacles. Why is he wearing a spectacles? Tell me, kids.
Because weak eyesight,
Weak
can't
eyesight.
see clear.
I have stored so many clothes, but they are of no use. Why?
Because he has become lean.
Because he has become lean and the clothes have become dash. The clothes have become dash. Haji?
Clothes are same.
Clothes are same, definitely. But he has become lean. So clothes have become loose to him.
Yeah.
Right, kids? Coming up to next. How is his voice earlier and now how is his voice? Could you?
First his voice was manly, now his voice is treble.
Oh wow, amazing. If I give you a one word for treble, could you tell me what is treble? Anji?
Three times weaker than.
Oh wow. And how is my sound coming up from my mouth? Like a dash.
Whistle.
Yeah.
Whistle.
When I talk, I split, I spill, I splur, I stammer. Okay? Thank you, my dear kid. Coming up to the next stage. Everybody? मैंने पहले ही बोला था, मट्टी में से आए हैं, मट्टी में मिल जाए. Now comes a very important scene. Last. 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 Last scene of all. The technical team, kindly mute. And thank you. Last scene of all that ends the strange, eventful history. You know why history? Because मैं आया था, मैं अपना रोल प्ले कर रहा हूं और आज मैं गुमनाम हो जाऊंगा. पर इस गुमनाम होने के पहले what role I have played, what I have done. Kids, I'll tell you one line. What matters is destination? No. What matters is journey. What matters is journey. Destination तो सब वही है, मौत. मौत. हर कोई राख बन जाएगा, पर कोई राख बनकर भी राख न बनेगा. कोई याद किया जाएगा, किसी की आवाज सुनने के लिए दिल बेकरार रहेगा. Yes, seriously. Here comes the end, the eventful history. Back, he becomes a child with a mere oblivion, a mere gumnami. He has sand teeth, sand eyes, sand taste, sand everything. न दांत है, न आंखें हैं, न टेस्ट है, न कुछ है. अरे जिंदगी ही नहीं है. Everything is gone. Exit. Exit. No taste. No eyesight. Have nothing with me. I'm back again. I'm back again to live. Or maybe to die. Just living to die. Just living to complete my this stage of life. Where I need people. Where I need that nurse arm. Where I need. I am dead. Prayer session going on. Lord, bless him with heavenly abode. I am dead. मौत. मट्टी में से आया था, मट्टी में मिल गया. पालने में था, कब्र में पहुंच गया. I was in a cradle. Today I am in a graveyard. But kids, I played my role. I played my 7 stages. I lived my life. I lived it. वो फूल, वाह क्या फूल है. वो लिली, क्या लिली है बच्चा. You know, it lives just for a day, but it plays its role. वो खुशबू फैला के जाता है. So kids, let's live in deeds, not in years. Let's finish our part, whatever it is, how much ever it is. Let's complete the journey